Right, so we're currently trying to edit this background.
The idea is that we are trying out different software to see how we can work with green screen and what's the easiest methods to do it. So we're currently using Photoshop because we found with Premiere Pro it was a lot more complex, wasn't it?
It was a lot more complex than we expected it to be, if I'm honest. I don't really know why, it just was.
It's kind of hard to describe. It's just not.
It wasn't what we're used to. So I think this is a lot better.
Not our vibe.
It's not, because to be fair, I used to find Photoshop quite difficult to use, but I think now that we've practiced with it, I don't find it too bad now, so I'm actually finding that a lot easier. So it says use the eyedropper tool, because again the eyedropper tool that appears, hold down shift while key while clicking and dragging around the green areas. But obviously ours is not green, but it's fine. Hold down the alt key and click on the screen.
It makes you realise how complex it is when you're using a green screen.
It is. And
like even the weather people, how is that all set up?
Literally.
To do the green screen, it seems mad.
It does. It really does. So we want to get it where it's mostly just the background. So that's just, I think, about there. And then I think that's okay. And then obviously this is not going to be perfect because it's not a green screen, but we can work with it. So then you click select and then inverse. Select, inverse.
It seems a lot much easier with this process.
Oh, it does. It was too complicated on the other one.
Yeah, tip, use Photoshop.
Definitely do. Go to select again and click refine edge. Select, refine edge. Where's that? I'm struggling to see that. Select. Where is that? That's
Would you go and select again, maybe? And
that's weird. It's not on mine, is it?
yeah, the problem we're finding is that the version we're currently using doesn't seem to match up.
It's got rid of the background.
Oh, we'll show you the background.
We have success.
So that is currently what is happening right now.
It's still on you, isn't it?
Oh, whoops.
There you go, that's what's
So
happening right
obviously I'm not what we're trying to edit.
Right, so whatever, yep, inverse again. So drag and copy and paste the image you want to have. Now, here's the question, what image do we want to have around our swirly whirly guy?
Maybe Spiral Girly.
I thought that too, I thought that might be quite interesting.
We're in sync.
We are. So, swirly girly. Hopefully I can just drag it on. So I want to click OK there a minute. And then what's going on?
Come on, computer, allow it.
Literally allow it. Okay.
Maybe the other one was the better one because I'm not sure if one of them we had issues with, didn't we?
Actually,
we need to drag it maybe in there rather than in there.
Actually, what I might do is, should I insert an image?
Yeah, maybe that might be the best option. So
how do I do that again? It's funny I can't do the basic things. Image, file, import. There you go.
Yeah. From device.
iPhone. Oh no, that's not what I want.
So maybe just go back on the thing and maybe click the other one because maybe that issue is with.
Oh yeah, you're right.
One. And maybe drag it here because that's the issue.
Like that, yeah, and then bring it down. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. What I'm trying to. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh shit. Okay, right. Trying to put that above that, but it doesn't want to work for whatever reason. Well, that's why, because it was locked. Right, so the background is still there, but it had gone, so I'm really confused. Wait, can't you just literally just go over here? Where's the magic wand? Literally, I can't even do the simple things. Oh, wait, can I not just do that?
I swear a magic wand would make everything so much easier. If it was just available for everything.
Oh my god, literally. Where is it right now? Why am I being so blind? I swear I just can't do the basic things.
Go further up. It's usually more of a selector tool.
Yeah.
Go. Maybe you're going too quickly with it. Wait.
There it is. Oh no, shit. Wrong one. Magic wand tool. Can I not just literally just do that?
Ooh, look at that.
Yay! Cool, there we go. So where's the mouse again? The selection, yeah. So then you can move this however you want to. Swirly girly! So what do you think we should do? Like maybe, do we put it off down to the corner? Do we put it to the centre?
I think we need some human work. I think it peeking in the corner seems quite funny.
It does, doesn't it?
It's just randomly there. Yeah.
Wait, should we make him a bit smaller a minute? Have him like peeking in.
But like, you could only see part.
Yeah. Yay!
So is that what we were trying to do?
I don't know.
What were we trying to do?
I don't know what we're trying to do, to be honest.
I thought we were trying to do something for the green screen.
We are, but...
How is this going to be on a green screen?
Well, because I think literally what you might be able to do is do the magic wand tool and just delete the background and then put that in the background, like we just did.
What?
I think we can literally just do what we just did. So with the magic wand tool, when you have a green screen, you click the green and then get rid of it, and then you can put anything you want in the background then. With a video, I think it'd be totally different, but...
So what if we've got a lot of green in our work though?
Yeah, I don't know, I really don't know how that would work.
Because with that, I'd just erase like virtually all our image.
Yeah, I think you would have to not have green in the work. I think that would happen anyway, because it always detects the green.
It's so prejudiced towards green.
I know it is.
Poor green.
I know, it's so rude. But yeah, I don't know, it's just... We'll definitely have to research more into it when we get it, because...
I think this could be an image in itself though that we
Yeah.
print out or something. It could be something that we could edit.
Yes. Should we have him just peeking in the corner? Yay!
It'd be cool to have some text over it as well.
Oh yeah, what text are we thinking? We thinking actual text or like written?
Actual would be
Okay, so
interesting because we've not explored that for a little
Yeah.
while.
What should we say then? Oh, that's a bit tiny, isn't it? Jeez, how tiny.
Aren't we all a whirlwind person?
Aren't we all... Should I put, aren't we all just a whirlwind person?
It's quite interesting having something that disappears onto the bite. I
Yeah,
find that
it is.
interesting.
Oh, need to grab that. I love when I can spell.
To be fair, you couldn't see half of it.
Yeah, exactly. Might be cool.
But I think at an angle would be really interesting. Just
Ah, how can I do that?
we actually do know how to use Photoshop. We're just having a bit
We're
of
just
a
having a funny 5 minutes.
moment.
Yes.
The thing is, we haven't done it for a little while because of lockdown though. So
Oh yeah, it's been a long time. How do I turn it? Oops.
Maybe just keep it horizontal. We can't. Yeah, we'll just keep it horizontal.
It's cool having the bit of the text missing.
Yeah. It's interesting we've got it right directly in the eyes as well.
Yeah. Should we change the font maybe? What if we have it in like one that you can... not really rude, so one that's a bit like that.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
It actually strangely complements
The swirls. Oh, I love that.
I think that's an image in its own right, wouldn't you say,
I
Kels?
would say so, yes. It's not what we intended, but it's happened.
Well, that's all, guys.